Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we have another question in today's video where we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the x minus 1 is equal to 1000, and let's solve this. So there are multiple ways to solve this question. What we're going to do is that we're going to make this one similar to what we have in here, and if you want to do that, we're going to write it down as 3 to the power of x minus 1. Since we have plus 1, we know minus 1 plus 2 is going to give us plus 1, which is what we have in here. So we need a plus 2 in here to make that. Minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1000. From the laws of the exponent, we know when we have a to the power of m plus n, this will be equal to a to the m times a to the n. So we're going to use that in here. Basically, we're going to keep that as our m, and this will be our n. So we have 3 to the power of x minus 1 times 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 2 minus 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1000. So in here we have 3 squared, which is 9, and what we can do in here, we have these two as our common factor, so we can factor 3 to the power of x minus 1. So from the first expression, this one we have 9, and from the second one we have minus 1 is equal to 1000, and we know 9 minus 1 is 8. So if we divide each side of the equation by 8, we get 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1000 over 8, which will be 125, and we know that 125 is equal to 5 cubed. So now what we have in here, 3 to the x minus 1 is equal to 5 to the 3, and we have our x in the exponent. Common way in here is to do the log on each side, and from the laws of the logarithm, we know when we have the log of a to the b, this b can go in the back, so it will be b times log of a. So if we do that, we have the log of 3 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to the log of 5 to the 3, and each of these exponents can go in the back, so basically x minus 1 times log of 3 is equal to 3 times log of 5. So we're going to divide each side by the log of 3 in order to get rid of this log on the left side. So we're going to have x minus 1 times log of 3 over log of 3 is equal to 3 times log of 5 over log of 3. On the left side, we can cancel out the log of 3, and from the laws of the logarithm, we know when we have the log of a over log of b, this will be equal to log base b of a. So we're going to use that in here. We have x minus 1, and this will be equal to 3 times log base 3 of 5. All we need to do in here is just to add 1 on each side of the equation. We're going to have x alone, and we basically have 3 times log base 3 of 5 plus 1, which will be the final answer for this question. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this one. Let me know if you have any other solution to solve this. Feel free to drop it in the comment that everybody can benefit from. I'll see you in the next video with another interesting question. You guys take care. Have a good one.